Hey everyone, so this is a demo of how trust interoperability works with the trust transfer module. And this is the portal for RBI. Now we put in the ID of a user and we check what is the trust value for that user. So on RBI's chain, the trust value for that user is 30. And we go to the portal of ICICI Bank, for example, and we check what is the value of the trust. So in that case, let's say they are equal. So it's also 30. Now, this can be different from the RBI, but for this example, we are keeping it same. So now let's say the user returns the loan a bit early and we want to increment the trust value for that person. So we'll say that the trust was 30, but now that the person has returned the loan a bit early, now let's say that the trust is 50 in this case. Now we'll lock this transaction on Ethereum's chain. We are using the RinkBy testnet here. Now I'm going to uh, approve the transaction here. And when this transaction gets approved, uh, the trust transfer module, which is a smart contract, will take up this trust value from this chain and put the trust value in RBI's chain. So now as you can see that that transaction has completed, we can see the block on Etherscan. Now you can see that the block is still being indexed. Once it is completely processed, uh, then the trust transfer module will run and will add the trust to Ethereum's Hyperledger fabric. Okay, so the status for this block is successful. Now we should give a couple of seconds for the trust transfer module to enter that data into Ethereum's to RBI's Hyperledger fabric chain. Hmm. I think it should be done by now. So we'll see that data. Okay, so we saw that earlier the trust was only 30, but now that trust is 50. So this is how the trust transfer module gets the data from, in this case, ICICI's Ethereum network chain and puts that data into RBI's Hyperledger fabric. Now this trust transfer module here could also manipulate that data, convert the trust vector from ICICI's trust vector to RBI's trust vector, which can be different, but for the sake of this demo, we kept it to be same. So this is a quick demo on how the trust transfer module works and how it can store, how it can interoperate data from one chain to another. Okay, thank you.